Hi, grade 3 Opal pupils. This is Teacher Bebs who will read a story in your English 3 Module 1 entitled The Tweety Bird. The Tweety Bird by Almar S. Ebrano. Tweety is a yellow bird. She is so sweet and charming. Tweety loves to fly from morning to sundown. She keeps on practicing her tricks to be the best in the group. Tweety likes flying everywhere. Turdy advises his friend not to go far because hunters are just around. But Tweety never listens. One afternoon, Thirdy sees a hunter with his slingshot. He yells, "Tweety! Fly high! Faster!" Tweety does not listen again. Unfortunately, Tweety lays on the hands of the hunter.